In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build customer surveys in Jotform using Claude AI. Start by going to Jotform and logging into your account. Once you are inside your dashboard, open Claude AI in your browser as well, so you can use both tools during the setup process. Before creating the survey, decide on the goal of your form. Be clear about the type of feedback you want to collect. This could be customer satisfaction, product experience, service quality, or general feedback. Having a clear goal will help shape the questions and overall structure of the survey. Next, in Claude AI, enter this prompt exactly. Create a customer survey directly in my Jotform account with structured sections for customer info, rating questions, multiple choice feedback, and open-ended responses. Make it clear, engaging, and ready to use. After sending the prompt, return to Jotform and check for the newly generated survey in your account. Open it and review the structure that was created. Make sure it includes the main parts you need, such as customer details, rating sections, feedback choices, and written response areas. If needed, add more survey-specific questions. You can include rating scales from 1 to 10, multiple choice fields, drop-down menus, and long text boxes for detailed responses. Keep the questions relevant to your survey goal so the form stays focused and easy to complete. Once your questions are in place, arrange the survey in a logical order. Start with a short introduction, then move into the main questions, followed by feedback sections, and finish with a simple closing message. A clear flow makes the survey easier for customers to understand. Now customize the survey to match your brand and preferences. Edit the field labels, adjust any required questions, and add your company branding if needed. This helps the form feel polished and professional. After that, review the form settings. Turn on notifications so you know when responses come in. Set up autoresponders if you want users to receive a confirmation message after submitting the survey. You can also connect the form to tools like Google Sheets or your CRM if you want responses to be stored automatically. Then preview the full survey. Go through it as if you were a customer. Check the wording, layout, and response flow to make sure everything works correctly. When you are satisfied, publish the survey and share it. You can copy the direct link or embed the form on your website depending on how you want customers to access it. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.